loving her first ride.
Hey!
Hi. Oh, you need your soother.
Oh, and you need the phone in the car. You gotta talk on the phone. Can't forget your cell phone when you go for a drive.
You telling your grandma about your new car? And your papa and your nana? Tell everyone you got a new car for your birthday?